Hi, everyone. My name is Mary Allen. I'm the Socioeconomics Coordinator for NOAA's Coral Reef Conservation Program. And I'm here to talk about a new social science monitoring program for Mission Iconic Reefs. So I'm very excited to be a part of this effort. I really believe that having this component makes this restoration effort that much more meaningful and unique and special, because all of the restoration and the research and monitoring that we do, like all of that is important because it's not just for the sake of coral reefs alone, but because we care about these special places, right? Because we benefit from many different ecosystem services that these coral reefs provide us, like fisheries and habitat protection, storm protection, maritime heritage, recreation and tourism. And here in the Florida Keys, coral reefs really are a part of this region's identity. So they are truly iconic to their name, and but at the same time, are we loving them to death? We or people, we can be our own worst enemy, but we can also be part of the solution. And so people can be stewards and are certainly a part of this collective mission in coral restoration. But to do that, it's just so important to understand the human dimensions of coral restoration. Social science, that helps address questions like the so what? Why is this important? Who cares? Social science can help us answer questions about like how people use and benefit from coral reefs. What types of experiences do they seek when they visit coral reefs? And how can restoration enhance those experiences and further sustain the benefits that these reefs provide us? Well, we are going to explore those questions in our new social science monitoring plan. We have 4 overarching goals here. So first is looking at human use and how that changes with restoration over time. So we can look at things like spatial and temporal use patterns, social carrying capacity of human impacts at a reef site, limits of acceptable change, satisfaction, expectations, a number of other human dimensions. Goal 2 is economics. So this could be quantifying the value of coral reefs, the economic impacts of coral restoration, or how much someone is willing to pay for restoration activities. And then finally, goals 3 and 4 are supporting goals to enhance stewardship behaviors, volunteerism, promote education and outreach. So that's really understanding like what are the motivations and reasons that get people to want to become stewards and to take action and change behaviors and get involved, and how can we enhance their awareness of coral reefs and why we're doing all this restoration, why it's important. And the last thing I'll say about this is, like, across all of these goals, we're weaving in principles of diversity and equity, inclusion, justice, accessibility. So that's a key part of everything that we're going to be doing here. And over the next year or so, we're going to start developing the methodology to collect primary data. And we're going to start with 3 iconic reef sites, 1 in each of the 3 regions of the Keys. And with each of those sites, there will be a control site, so we can test the impacts of restoration and detect changes over time. And all of this is meant to complement and be integrated with the rest of the biological and physical monitoring that's going on, so that we have a robust, holistic approach to restoration and sustaining those benefits that coral reefs provide. So, looks like I am out of time, but yeah, happy to chat more later on and answer any questions if there's time. Thanks.